Urologists are now revealing something that sounds impossible. Put this in your morning coffee, and erections come back even at 80. No pills, no prescriptions, no embarrassing side effects. Just one natural compound that wakes up your blood flow and restores your penis health from the inside out. The secret isn't in a pharmacy. It's sitting in your kitchen, hidden in plain sight. Harvard Research and the Journal of Sexual Medicine both confirm how this one ingredient boosts nitric oxide and circulation so powerfully it rivals Viagra, especially in men over 60. Your morning coffee could be the turning point. Before we go further, drop a quick comment below. What do you usually add to your morning coffee? Sugar, milk, or something else? And if you've noticed your erections getting weaker after 60, type "coffee fix" in the comments. It helps more men find this message, and it lets you know you're not the only one rebuilding your confidence. I'll never forget Harold, 72, ex-military, proud, disciplined. He sat in my office, shoulders tense, eyes lowered. He whispered, "Doc, it's not working down there anymore." I'm Dr. Catherine Rotker, a men's health specialist with 30 years of experience, and I've heard that same line from thousands of men just like you. Most believe that when erections fade after 60, it means the penis is broken. But it's not. The truth is simpler. The blood vessels inside your penis are starving. When those tiny arteries lose their ability to release nitric oxide, blood flow slows and erections fade. Harold had tried every pill he could find. All side effects, no confidence. So I told him to change one thing. Add a natural nitric oxide booster to his morning coffee. It's the same compound the NIH has studied for restoring endothelial function, the gateway to real erections. 2 weeks later, he called, laughing, "Doc, I feel 40 again." That's not magic. That's biology finally working for you, not against you. The real enemy isn't your age. It's something far more silent, endothelial dysfunction. That's when the lining of your blood vessels loses its ability to release nitric oxide, the very molecule your penis needs to trigger a strong, lasting erection. Without it, blood flow weakens, and what used to be automatic becomes unpredictable. According to Harvard researchers, by the time you reach 60, your nitric oxide levels can drop by as much as 60%. Add caffeine spikes, poor sleep, and daily stress, and you create the perfect storm. Your body's chemistry working against your confidence. Cortisol, the main stress hormone, tightens your arteries and suppresses testosterone. Over time, it's like slowly closing the tap that feeds oxygen to your manhood. That's why even men who eat well and stay active still wake up one morning and realize their erections have quietly disappeared. The worst part? You don't feel it happening until intimacy fails. But your body isn't done. It just needs the signal to wake up. And that's what this coffee remedy reignites. Here's what urologists discovered. Something so simple it almost sounds unbelievable. When you add just half a teaspoon of pure cocoa powder or a pinch of Ceylon cinnamon to your morning coffee, you trigger the same nitric oxide pathway that prescription erection drugs rely on. But this way, it's all natural, with zero side effects. Cocoa is packed with flavanols, compounds proven in a 2020 Journal of Sexual Medicine study to increase penile blood flow and improve erectile performance by up to 25% in older men. Cinnamon works differently, but just as powerfully. It lowers insulin resistance, stabilizes blood sugar, and helps restore testosterone and blood vessel flexibility, key elements of erection and stamina. When you mix caffeine's natural energy boost with cocoa's nitric oxide release, you create a perfect storm of circulation. That's called vasodilation. Your arteries open wider, blood rushes freer, and your erections return stronger and firmer, even at 70 or 80. It's simple. 1 cup, 1 scoop every morning. No shame, no prescriptions. And if you want to go further, add a small dash of L-citrulline powder, a watermelon extract studied by the NIH to rebuild erectile strength from within. Here's what men like you have reported when they start adding this to their morning coffee. By day 3, your energy begins to shift. You wake up feeling lighter, more alert. Your blood feels more alive, like the engine is starting to warm again. By day 7, something deeper happens. Erections start to return. Not perfect yet, but stronger, more reliable. You begin to sense control again. By day 14, confidence comes back. Spontaneous erections, the ones you thought were gone for good, start showing up, especially after that first cup of coffee. And by day 30, the results speak for themselves. Stamina, fullness, endurance, all natural, no pills, no embarrassment. According to Harvard Health, restoring nitric oxide can improve erectile function scores by up to 40% in just 4 weeks. Once those blood vessels heal, the process compounds. You're literally reversing vascular aging. Harold did it too. After 30 days, his wife smiled and asked, "What changed?" The truth was simple. His body already knew what to do. He just gave it permission to come alive again. Most men ruin their progress without realizing it, by adding the wrong things to their coffee. Sugar, artificial creamers, and flavored syrups destroy nitric oxide, the very molecule your penis depends on for a strong erection. They spike insulin, lower testosterone, and clog the same arteries you're trying to heal. A 2018 NIH study found that men who drank sugary coffee daily had 35% lower nitric oxide levels than those who kept it clean. Another mistake is impatience. You can't quit after a week. Your blood vessels didn't get damaged overnight. They were worn down by years of stress, poor sleep, and inflammation. Healing them takes consistency, not perfection, just daily action. And the last mistake is ignoring stress. Chronic cortisol tightens arteries and shuts down blood flow where you need it most. That's why I tell every man, your erections aren't just about the penis, they're about peace. Combine your coffee fix with a deep breath or a short morning walk. When your body feels safe, your blood flows freely again. And that's when real recovery begins. You don't need to surrender to age. Your body still knows how to create strength, confidence, and powerful erections. It just needs the right signal. Add this simple ingredient to your morning coffee, and you'll feel the difference, even at 80. Like, share, and comment Coffee Fix below if you're ready to reclaim your energy. You're not broken. You're coming back to life.